And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the graduates of class 2025 of Hawaii Central Elementary School for their pledge of loyalty to be led by Ms. Frances Chloe Velasco, grade 6 SSES learner with high honors.
Graduates, please stand. Raise your right hands and repeat after me. Pledge of loyalty. With sober sense of responsibility, I pledge myself to uphold my diploma as a sacred trust and symbol of my obligation to serve and keep it as an untarnished honor to myself in generous loyalty to my country, my fellow man, and to God. Please put your hands down.
Okay, congratulations once again, graduates of Hawaii Central Elementary School Batch 2025. So before the graduation song and dance, reminding all the parents to please stay ramo sa inyong chair. If ever mag-video mo, anara mo din ha. It's not to disturb the sermon. So anara mo na sa inyong chair. So at this moment of time, ladies and gentlemen, once again, please welcome